Hello everyone, I just want to say a huge thank you. I cannot believe it, but we have actually hit 10,000 subscribers. I never thought that I'd ever make that, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been following me from the start. In return, I've got a few give outs that I will be doing over the next week or two. And also, I've started working on a new forum, which you guys will be able to join and post, ask questions, and everyone can basically get involved. But anyway, I just want to say thank you again, and I will carry on doing as many computer tutorials as I can. And like I always say, if you've got a video you'd like me to do, then send me a message or comment below in the video. I do try and read all your comments and reply, but as you may know, a lot of people do write a lot of messages, so it does take a while to get through all those messages. Anyway, thank you again, and yeah, bye.